It's kind of, yeah, always kind of a diverge off the center here. Nice little, oh, whatever that is, design. Elevators. And again, the keys here, you can use your phone for keys. Or I assume you can get real keys if you want. But I decided to just do, like I said, do the online check-in. It was kind of a test just to see how it works, what I would get. Now I have left Bally's and moved over to Park MGM. So I thought I would do a quick little tour for you. This is the first time I've stayed here. The room, I just have a basic comped room, and I just did the online check-in just to see kind of what I would get, because since I didn't really know what to ask for anyway, but it's a basic king room. So let me flip you around. Anyway, you walk in the door. It's got the keys on your phone, which is kind of handy, you know, unless your phone's not working or something like that. But you come in, and first thing to your right is the bathroom. And then over here, have a basic sink, nothing fancy, some soap, decent mirror with good lighting, you know, your toilet, nice big shower, no place to sit or anything. And they use the Cure, I'm not sure how you pronounce those toiletries, but those are pretty nice, decent looking shower. And then you come in, and there's, next to the bathroom is your closet. You actually have actual real glasses, which is nice. There's your safe. There's some drawers for storage space that pull out. Basic stuff. Iron. Then you come in, and there's your TV on the wall. And you have all kinds of plug-ins here. Charging, HDMI, plug-in, that kind of stuff. And I think the TV kind of pulls out a little bit, or you can adjust it towards the bed. But the bed is over here. It's comfortable, king size bed, decent, nothing fancy. Like I said, this isn't a fancy room. It's not huge. It's decent, but you know, it's comped. I got some free play and some food. There's a little sitting area with a nice table. There's no desk, but you could use that table to work from if you needed to. And then my view is of T-Mobile Arena, and it looks like, by the sounds of it, something is happening out there tonight. I need to turn the light off to get you a better view. Hang on. I don't know how much better this is, but there's T-Mobile Arena over there. Honestly, not sure if there's a hockey game tonight or if it's a fight or what exactly is going on, but Delano's over there. Don't really have a strip view per se, which is fine. I'm just here for 2 nights. I'm all right with whatever. How you feeling, Vegas? Yep, good question. So yeah, lots of people heading over to the arena for whatever's going on over there. So I'm guessing this is going to be pretty noisy here until the game lets out, but that's all right, because I'm going to just go downstairs and get something to eat. I think I'm going to try Italy. Thanks for watching.